Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to my channel. If you want to work with Amazon, then I have a great news for you. Stay tuned with the video. AWS has launched a new program, AWS Cloud Clubs, for students and self-learners. You have a chance to lead AWS Cloud Club as a cloud captain. First of all, we need to know what is AWS Cloud Clubs. AWS Cloud Club is a community which is led by students, self-learners, cloud captains. The most important reason for Cloud Club is to build community, learn AWS tech services, their services like EC2 instance services, Lambda. AWS has a lot of services, and build your career. Now, the most important point I was looking, and you must too, benefits for becoming AWS cloud captains, right? You will get a lot of benefits like AWS swags, AWS course vouchers, exclusive experience in partnership with AWS employees, professional coaching, and much more. The most important perk for cloud captains, which are very important for me also, like you will get to network with people who are already working with AWS, which gives you higher chances for great opportunities in future. Most important and most awesome perk for me and you as well is AWS will work with you to make your club awesome. AWS Cloud Club is launched in only 10 regions. You will be lucky if you are from any one of them. The regions are Australia, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Ireland, France, Mexico, UK, Nigeria, US. If you have any confusion, do check out my article for detailed information. Link will be in the description. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will do my best to respond. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.